lot of lanes.
What the hell are you doing? Why are they coming this way? It's over there! It's over there!
Does everybody want to go this way?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Hold the.
Can you roll that down for me the rest of the way? So the reason why I'm stopping you is that you're going 99 through a 45. Is there any reason why we are going so fast tonight like that?
No, sir.
Why are we going that fast? You clearly think it's funny.
No.
Driver's license? For anything criminal, yeah, I'm taking you in there for that. Bro, you're going 99 down Fruitville Road. Like, you didn't think in any way whatsoever that that probably wasn't the smartest thing ever? We're gonna walk you back to his car.
How you doing? Sorry, I thought we were going in on yellow, and
yeah, I had stopped for the yellow when it went red, and there you go. And that guy's got the right to clear the intersection. You got to stop.
yeah, I thought it was yellow when we were coming into it, and then I saw him turn in it. So,
Do you have your license registration up? Here's your license registration, sir. Okay, this is a ticket. Okay.
There's 3 more coming up.
Yep.
I'm not letting a fucking single one come in. You knew what you needed to do.
Ah, I thought you wanted a cart, right? Top cart right there.
I'm not doing it. That sucks. That sucks.
Keep listening, keep listening.
Oh. I'm not moving, fuckhead.
I'm the road rager.
Aw, you're cute.
You can see on the window.
Bye-bye.
Look at my warrant. I'm sorry, I didn't
I'm so mad.
I know, and I got on camera with. That's what I got from her today. Let's see.
Me.
Oh, Jesus.
This lane, correct?
Okay. And I have my blinker on. Too.
To get in a lane that you were going straight in, now that is now turning.
I was merging over.
You were bull guarding. Go ahead and say it. You were bull guarding. You were ready to say it. You were bull guarding. So make sure you don't hit my car. Make sure you don't hit my car when I turn this lane, because we are turning in the turn lane and you are in the lane to go straight. So make sure you don't hit my stuff. Make sure you don't hit my stuff. Exactly. People have to go around her because she's blocking a lane. Make sure you don't hit me. Make sure you hit me. Make sure you hit me. And she can hit me.
What the